Hey, my name is Johnny Watson with Honest Abe Log Homes. A question we get almost every day: what is the difference between a log and timber frame home? This gets a little complicated because every company has their different versions or variations of it. But the nuts and bolts of it is a log home and a timber frame differ with their exterior wall profile. Now, we have several different log variations and styles and platforms that we can use. Everything from an 8x8 D log to a 6x12 square. You can get it hand hewn or chinked. But the big difference is that is going to be a log both on your exterior and your exterior interior of the home, right? So when you're looking at inside of your dream home, what you're going to see is wood. Now, that's what I love. That's what I prefer. But some people like a mixture, a little bit more drywall. That is where our timber frame comes in. You can have all the heavy timbers, the big, beautiful white pine and Doug fir rafters. But with that, you get a much more drywall or color within the project. Ultimately, this comes down to your aesthetic preferences or desires. Budget wise, they're going to both be very close if the home is finished out the same way. So there are a couple different ways that we can do our timber frame systems. One, a classic 8x8 post and beam setup with mechanical connections, and you would have insulation panels in between those posts to give you your R value. The awesome thing about that is you have a lot of beautiful aesthetic timbers to look at on the inside. One caveat, though, for some people, they're a little hamstrung on where those posts will go, right? You have to have them for structural reasons. Another way to do it is we have a SIP or structurally insulated panel. That basically frees your design up and you can put posts wherever you prefer. The awesome benefit to a SIP is there's probably not going to be a more energy efficient panel or way to build a house with any other style.